Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to create unlimited Facebook accounts. With those methods, you can create unlimited Facebook accounts. Here you can see right now we have 4 Facebook accounts. Now we'll create another 2 Facebook accounts. For this one, you need 2 applications: Temp Mail application and Text Now application. First of all, we'll open Temp Mail application. Once you will open Temp Mail application, you will get a free email address. You don't have to create email address, you will get free email address. If you want to change the email address at any time, you have to click on change tab. You will get another new email address. So this is method 1. You have to copy the email. So here you can see copy to clipboard. Now you have to open Facebook in any browser. We will open Google Chrome. You have to click on create new account. Click on next. Here you have to provide your first name and last name. Click on next. Choose your date of birth. Click on next. And then you have to select your gender. Click on next. Now here Facebook will ask you provide your phone number. You don't have to provide your phone number. You have to click on sign up with email address. Now here you have to paste your copied email address. Click on next. Now you have to choose your password. Click on next. And then you have to click on sign up tab. Now Facebook will send a verification code to your provided email address. Here you can see we have received an email in Temp Mail. You have to open Temp Mail and then you have to click on inbox. Here you will receive the email address from Facebook site. Now you have to enter this code to verify your Facebook account. Click on confirm tab. Here you can see your account has been created. That means our account is successfully created. Now here you have to do 2 things. First of all, you have to upload your Facebook profile picture. Now quickly you have to create your Facebook account username. So here you can see our newly created Facebook account is ready for use. So this is method number 1. If you want to change the email address, you have to click on change tab. And you have to click on yes. You will get another temporary email address and you have to copy this email address again to create another Facebook account. Now we'll teach you the second method. For this one, you have to install Text Now application. After the installation and sign up, you have to click on these 3 lines which you can see at the top left side. So here you will get your free USA phone number. You have to click on it. Your phone number will be copied. Now again you have to open Facebook in any browser. You have to click on create new account. Click on next. Here you have to provide your first name and last name. Click on next and then you have to choose your date of birth. Click on next. Select your gender. Click on next. Now here Facebook will ask you to provide your phone number. You have to paste the copied phone number and you have to add +1. And then you have to click on next. Now you have to choose your password. Click on next and then you have to click on sign up tab. So here you can see immediately we have received verification code from Facebook site. Now here we will provide the same code. Here you can see the code. Click on confirm tab. Here you can see we have received the confirmation that our Facebook account is successfully confirmed. Now you have to upload your profile picture. Here you can see we have created another Facebook account successfully. So here you can see this is the account which we have created just now. To change your Text Now phone number at any time, you have to click on these 3 lines which you can see at the top left side. Click on settings. Click on account. From here you can change your phone number at any time. We'll log out. So here you can see right now we have 6 Facebook accounts. Before we have 4 accounts. Right now you can see we have 6 Facebook accounts. So in the same way, you can also create unlimited Facebook accounts if you will follow both of these methods. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries.